Imagine a robot that can predict a machine failure before it happens. Welcome to AI-powered robotics. Problem: robots used to be predictable but limited, stuck doing repetitive tasks and blind to surprises. Promise: now AI brings vision to robots. Now AI brings learning to robots. Now AI brings language to robots, so they can navigate messy environments, so they can spot defects, so they can even help surgeons with razor-sharp precision. Proof: in logistics, AI lets robots make split-second navigation decisions. In factories, ML predicts maintenance to cut downtime. Surgical systems use real-time data for finer moves. Companies like Tesla are already shipping these capabilities. Companies like Nvidia are already shipping these capabilities. Companies like Boston Dynamics are already shipping these capabilities. Bottom line: AI turns robots from tools into smart teammates, faster, safer, and way more reliable. Call to action: want examples? Hit follow and I'll break them down next.